What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you the #1 tool and the #1 thing you need to do before you start running your YouTube ads. But before we actually go into that today, definitely check me out on Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer. Check out my blog.JelaniTheMarketer, and make sure that you subscribe, hit that alert button and the notification icon so you know when I post a new video. I am posting daily content talking about different marketing techniques and tactics, so definitely subscribe and hit that alert button. It will be really awesome to see you be part of the community, and I hope that if you have any comments or suggestions, leave those down below, and let's get right into it. Alright, so on your screen right here, you see a tool called TubeSift. Now, this tool is absolutely amazing, and before you even run YouTube ads are really a different game when it comes to advertising. So you want to make sure that you're doing this #1 thing, and that #1 thing is planning, okay? Make sure you're planning out the hook of your ad, make sure you're planning out the story, make sure you're planning out the offer. I actually have a video talking about that specific topic, but just make sure you're doing those things, but also making sure that you understand who your audience is. It's really important for YouTube specifically that you understand who you're speaking to, right? You don't want to be speaking to a cat lover if you're promoting a digital product, right? So you want to make sure that you have your pitch down, you have your hook down, your story down, but also make sure that you have your targeting down. And the #1 tool that I use when it comes to targeting is called TubeSift. This tool is a monster, okay? And it's made specifically for YouTube ads. There's no other tool out there like it, and I just wanted to give you guys a cool rundown of how it works. Now, when you get an account, you can click the link down below. I'm actually really cool with the owner of this software, and he actually gave me a special link just for my audience so you guys can get a discount on this specific software. Normally, I believe it's $67 a month or $497 a year, but with my discount, it's $47 per month, or I believe $297 per year. But definitely click the link down below so you get access to the software at a discount. All right, so let's see how it works. Basically, what you're able to do with TubeSift is you're able to actually identify the audience before you run the ad, right? You want to make sure you're planning these things. So TubeSift makes it really easy. So all you have to do is, on the left hand side, you can see there's different options: video search, channel search, keyword ideas, placement list, banner studio, YT, video info. We're going to be talking about these 3 things at the top. These are the main ways that you want to search. Now, the first thing is video search. Now, when you are running YouTube ads, there's options so that you can run ads to or on specific videos, right? So if I am running a campaign targeting affiliate marketers, I can target affiliate marketing videos, right? So all you have to do is type in the keyword affiliate marketing, and what it's going to do is spew out some results. Now, you can increase the max results to 300, which is normally what I like to do, but it takes some time. So for today, we'll just keep it at 10. Once you click search, it's going to start finding and identifying videos that have monetization enabled. Now, this is really important because you need to have monetization enabled on these videos in order to run ads on these particular videos, right? So all of these videos here, the 10, are about affiliate marketing, and they all have monetization enabled. That means that we can run ads on these specific videos, okay? So it's really cool. And what TubeSift makes it really easy. So once you have all the videos that you want to target, all you have to do is click on get links, and then you get the 10 links that it provided for you, and then you can put that in your Google AdWords account. It's super neat, right? So if I have 200 videos, if I do max results 200, I will literally get 200 links. It's really awesome. Another thing you could do is you can create lists. So right here where it says placement lists, you can create different lists here, and what that's going to do is you can basically get the links for these particular videos, okay? So it's really awesome what TubeSift allows us to do. You can also do by relation to video. So if you have a video URL that you like and you know it's monetized, you can just put it in here and it will show related videos. You can also do channels. So if you know a channel is all about affiliate marketing, you can put the channel in here, and boom, it'll give you all the videos that channel is running that are monetized. So it's really cool. Now, the next thing we're going to be talking about is channel search. Now, channel search is essentially if you want to run ads on specific channels. So let's just keep on going with affiliate marketing, and we'll put in affiliate marketing here. We'll leave it at max results at 10. This is 100 max results rather than 300, but still 10 is fine for right now. And what it's going to do is find 10 channels that are known to have affiliate marketing videos on their account or on their channel, right? So Deadbeat Super Affiliate, right? Really awesome channel, has a lot of affiliate marketing videos. Now, what we can do is then search his channel, and then we can see, all right, are there specific videos on there that are monetized enabled, right? I don't know if Deadbeat has if he has monetization enabled. I don't believe he does, but you get the idea. You can just click on channel search and then see if that channel has specific videos that you can then target for your campaigns. Okay, so really cool, really awesome, and it allows us to do these identification before we run our ads, and so we're not just going out there and guessing, right? So let's check out keywords. Now, this is my favorite way to actually get people in and viewing our ads is based on keywords. Now, how this works is you can identify the source, right? So do you want the keywords to come from Google or do you want the keywords to come from YouTube? So we can target YouTube, and let's just say affiliate marketing here, right? And what it's going to do is find all the keywords on YouTube and specifically the United States that have affiliate marketing attached, or the keyword is attached to affiliate marketing, right? So it just makes our lives so much easier because it's going to find, it's going to say affiliate marketing Y, affiliate marketing Z, affiliate marketing A, right? So for example, affiliate marketing A would be affiliate marketing Amazon, affiliate marketing Amazon tutorial, and it just keeps going down. So then it goes to B, affiliate marketing business, and then it goes to C, affiliate marketing ClickFunnels, right? And then it just keeps going down by the letter. Now that's really cool for us because then we can use these keywords in our campaigns when we're targeting people. And same with videos. If you go select all, and you click on export selected, you can then export all these keywords with a click of a button, guys. This saves you so much time because then you don't have to go out there and identify the individual videos or the individual channels or the individual keywords. You can literally just log into TubeSift and then just grab the keywords, grab the videos, grab the channels. It's really awesome and effective. It really is the #1 tool for YouTube ads. So before you're running your YouTube ads, make sure that you're planning ahead of time. Make sure you know your audience. Make sure that you understand the story that you're telling and what that story is going to do for the person viewing the ad. It's supposed to be about education, right? Or entertainment. You're either educating or you're entertaining on YouTube. So you want to make sure that you are giving some information for the ad. Therefore, they'll be more inclined to click. And that starts with the audience, right? So once you have your story or once you have your audience, you can then develop your story or then develop your audience. But make sure you have those two things, is making sure that you have a good idea of who your audience is. Come into TubeSift, identify the audience, get some keyword batches, get some video batches, and then start testing that way. It's really important that you do this, guys. So if you want TubeSift, all you have to do is click link down below. Like I said, you get the full suite at a discounted price. There's nothing that doesn't come with it. It's this exact thing that I have, just at a discounted price, just because the owner gave me a special link for my audience because he knows I run YouTube ads and I talk about YouTube ads a lot and I talk about YouTube a lot. So he said, hey, dude, why don't you just promote it and your audience will use it. So I'm letting you guys in on the little discount. Just click link down below. TubeSift is absolutely a monster if you want to run YouTube ads. So definitely check it out. All right, so I will have more videos talking about YouTube ads. YouTube ads is literally the future. I'm not kidding when I say that. So I have a whole bunch of videos planned. If you look at my video organizational sheet, I have like at least 20 videos talking about YouTube ads. So you guys are in for a treat. You're going to be learning a lot of stuff about YouTube ads in the future, but it all starts with the planning, and this is the perfect resource for you to start planning your YouTube ad videos, okay? So check out the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, leave those down below. I'd love to interact with you guys. And make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Check me out on Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer, and also check out my blog, blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.